Hello, this is Frugal Homestead, and I'm out for a walk with Nubia, and I started thinking this might make a good little short video. Sometimes when we're trying to be frugal, we look for ways to save money with recreation. And I'm going to tell you that if you just Google the parks in your area, you'll find places you never knew were there. There's a beautiful park in my neighborhood. It's only about 5 minutes away. It has all kinds of beautiful lakes. Let me go over there and show you this lake. Not lake, but ponds. Like nice little ponds. Oh, and it's beautiful. It's gorgeous out here today. Look at the sky. Puffy clouds and the wind is blowing. It's probably about 70 degrees in the shade here. So nice. And Nubia's having a great time. I don't know, she keeps finding things on the ground that she wants to roll on. She's having a great time out here. Yep. Having fun? Yep, I can see that. So yeah, when you're trying to save money, and all of us need to save some money because we need to put that money on things that are going up in price, but your recreation can cost you nothing but a 5-minute little trip to the park. And you'll be, as they say, killing two birds with one stone. You're getting your 5,000, 10,000 steps a day in, whatever you've set your goal to for your fitness. And, well, maybe 3 birds. You're getting your dog out to walk, or your children out to run out their energy and burn out all that energy so they're not cooped up in the house. And then you're getting some recreation time in, some peaceful time to think and let your mind clear. So yeah, I recommend it. It's something that I do on a regular basis because I just love nature, and I just love listening to nature in the parks, listening to the wind blow through the trees. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to let the camera roll for a few minutes and let you enjoy a little bit of my nature walk. I think some of these ferns would look good in my yard. Maybe next time I'll come and snip off a piece and take it home. I don't recommend that you do that everywhere, because there are some places where I have taken a nature walk and there was a sign that said, please leave everything as you found it, especially in beach settings. You know, because some of the beach settings are very fragile and they don't want you to leave with the shells and all of the natural things that are on the beach. So there is a beach not too far away, it's not too close either, but it's called Little Talbot Island, and they have nature trails, and on the trail it says, leave everything as you found it. And I respect that. I respect that, because the next person has the right to see it as beautiful as it was when you came. And here's a little bit of creek side. You can see the water flowing. Gorgeous. As you know, this is Florida, so you see lots of Spanish moss everywhere. And the Spanish moss can kind of make a tree look really spooky and eerie, but it's a natural beauty also. My brother was telling me the Spanish moss is good for a medicinal tea. I haven't tried that yet. But it's interesting. I'm not sure what the medicinal qualities are of Spanish moss, but he was saying that, you know, you could just take a little bit of it and boil it in some water and drink the tea off of it. And it's supposed to have some kind of good health qualities, which I know not of. Maybe you can Google that and look it up and find out if it's something you'd want to do. Some people don't like the Spanish moss because they don't like that eerie look of it, but I like anything that's natural the way God made it. There's a purpose for it, even though we don't know what that purpose is. So this park is absolutely gorgeous. I will come here again. I had no idea it was this close to home. And this is maybe one of two ponds. Oh yeah, or maybe I'm on the other side of the same pond, I'm not sure. But it has walkways throughout. And you see over here what looks like this tree right here. Looks like a maple, I'm not sure. I think it is. It's like a maple tree. It's pretty. You hear the birds? Okay, well, I'm coming up on some people, and I don't like to put people in my videos without their permission, so I'm gonna sign off now. I hope you enjoyed the walk. See you next time. How you doing?